What's up YouTube, it's Ryan from Riding in Style, and today we're gonna do a little flyby video. Take the car out, see if we can get it to sound good. This was put out by RT Life, and so shout out to RT Life's YouTube channel. And I just wanted to show off this new merchandise that came in from RP Productions. This is his new merch. So the site to get it at is actually called Because Race Car Store, and I'll put a link in the description. And his YouTube channel is BRC Video, so be sure to check him out. Sean from Because Race Car Store, thank you for the merch. And RP Productions, just so happens my initials happen to be RP. Pause. Okay, sorry, picking up where we left off, I just want to do another shout out to Riley from RP Productions. He's got some great shirts on his well, Because Race Car Store website, so go check him out. This is the RPM shirt. They have a America edition, so check them out, and we'll go get this flybys, get her on the way, and see how it turns out. So come along for the ride. Alright YouTube, that was a pretty fun experience getting out there. The hard part is finding a good location, you know, away from foot traffic and residential areas and cars and dogs and small babies and strollers, you know. But it was fun. It was definitely fun to get out there, and just, you know, my motivation was that shout out put out by RT Life, so shout out to him. That challenge, I'm gonna figure out how to get him these videos. And before I do, I wanted to show you all this little bit of driver modification that came in, RP Productions, and this is put together by Because Race Car Store, so I'll put his link in the description. And once again, this is Ryan from Riding in Style.